Hey guys, today we're going to do a little airplane flow. So by airplane, I mean sweeping the arms back like an airplane. So we'll do that throughout the practice. And as always, we'll begin with a little grounding. See if Gypsy can stay calm for the practice today. Big chance. Shoulders up, around and down. Inhale as fully as you can. Imagine it coming out through the crown of your head. Open the mouth, exhale it out. Inhale. Open the mouth, exhale. One more, breathing in. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, airplane them as you bow forward. Inhale, reach them up. Exhale, sweep them behind. One more up. Exhale, sweep them behind. Inhale, up, palms touch. Exhale to your heart center. Pause, deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, come to all fours. Inhale, cat-cow. Just do 3 to 5 on your own. Warming your spine up. A little monkey in the back. Perfect. And then look forward, inhale, and as you exhale, lift those hips, downward facing dog. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Walking up to the top of the mat and folding and letting it go, swaying it out. Grab a hold of opposite elbows. Bring them behind your head as you bend the knees. Come up slowly, lengthening at the top, opening, inhale. Exhale, start to bend back down, folding, letting the arms drop back down. Hands stay on the elbows. Again, inhale, bend the knees. Rise up slowly, open the chest at the top, breathe in. Exhale, sit back down, and then let the head drop. This time release the hands, roll the spine up slowly. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, airplane them behind you. Inhale up. Exhale, airplane. One more up. Exhale, airplane. Stay here. Now as you inhale, bring your fingers by your hips so that hips should be in line with fingers reaching in opposite directions. Breathe in. Exhale, airplane. Inhale all the way up, palms touch. Exhale, hinge and fold, release, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step the right foot back. Lower the knee. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, airplane them behind you. Keep your chest where it is. Inhale, arms reach forward by the ears. Exhale, behind. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to your heart center. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, airplane them behind. Inhale, arms reach forward, chest stays. Exhale, airplane. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, lower this time. Lift the right knee, step the left foot back. Lower chaturanga or belly. Upward dog or cobra. Downward facing dog. Breathing in. Exhale, send the hips back as far as you can. Breathe in, spread the fingers. Exhale, looking between the feet. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step it between the hands. Left knee comes down. Same thing, arms up, inhale. Exhale, airplane behind you. Chest stays, inhale, arms by ears. Exhale, airplane. Inhale up, palms touch. Exhale to the heart. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale, airplane. Palms are facing each other. Inhale by the ears. Exhale, airplane. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to the floor. Step left foot forward and fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold, chair pose, arms up, inhale. Exhale, airplane. Same thing. Inhale, arms by ears. Exhale, airplane. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, fold through the center, release. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold, step the left foot back. You can come into warrior one if you're having trouble balancing, or stay on the toes for more of a challenge. Arms up, inhale, same thing. Exhale, airplane. Belly off thigh. Inhale, arms by ears. Exhale, airplane. Inhale all the way up. Palms to your heart. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, airplane. Inhale, arms by ears. Exhale, airplane. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to the earth. Step right foot to left, high plank. Breathe in. Chaturanga or belly. Exhale. Inhale, upward dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg, breathe in. Exhale, step it between the hands. Again, right foot can come down, warrior one, or on your toes. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, airplane, belly off thighs. Chest stays. Inhale, arms by ears. Exhale, airplane. Inhale, arms up, legs strong. Exhale, hands to heart. One more round. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, airplane behind. Inhale by your ears. Exhale, airplane. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to the earth. Step right foot forward and fold. Same thing, halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Sit down low. Arms sweep up, chair pose. Inhale. Exhale, airplane the arms. Inhale, arms by your ears, sit even lower. Exhale, airplane the arms. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, fold all the way. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, this time step both feet back. Downward facing dog. As you breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step it through. Come onto the fingertips, rise back up, crescent. Inhale, we'll do one time. Exhale, airplane. Inhale, crescent arms by the ears. Exhale, airplane. Inhale, up. Warrior three, take a step closer with your left foot or lift it from here. Airplane the arms. You can stay here, you can tap the foot down, or we're going to move further. Inhale, arms reach. Exhale, airplane, tap left knee to right, Shiva squat. Inhale, reach, arms and legs. Exhale, airplane, Shiva squat. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Arms reach forward. Step the left foot back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, float them by your side. Step right foot back. Move through your flow or downward facing dog. Meeting in downward dog. Breathing in. Breathing out. Not a good day to do yoga outside. So much dirt flying on my mat. Inhale, right, left leg up. Exhale, step it through. Arms reach up for one round. Inhale. Same thing. Exhale, airplane the arms. Inhale, reach them by your ears. Exhale, airplane. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, coming into warrior three, taking steps closer with the right foot if you need, or coming right into it, airplane the arms. Palms towards each other. You can lower the leg if you need. You can stay in warrior three if you need. We're going to move on to those Shiva squats. Inhale, arms reach forward. Exhale, tap right knee to left, airplane arms. Inhale, arms and legs extend. Exhale, tap right knee to left, arms airplane. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, arms extend, right foot comes back. Lift up one more time, open the chest. Exhale, hands to the earth. Step left foot back, last flow, breathe in. Exhale, chaturanga or belly. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, child's pose, big toes touch. Sit back. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale. Exhale. And from here, just take those arms back, sweep them up. Forehead can stay down, maybe lift on the crown. And then release them forward. Roll to your belly, melt the heart down. Inhale, roll the chest up, cobra. Exhale, roll down. Two more. Inhale, roll up, cobra. Exhale, down. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Roll over to the back. Hug knees to chest. Interlace your hands around the right knee as you extend the left leg down, pulling the knee in. Make little circles with your knee. And go the other direction. Take your right hand to the knee and open it to the right. Take your left hand to your left hip bone, keeping it flat on the floor. And this is a good way to practice when the standing balance pose, opening the leg, so you can just practice here on the earth. And then lift it back up, left hand to the leg. Bring it over to the left, twisting to the right. Hey, Gyps. Hey, baby. And then come back up and release right leg down. Interlace around the left knee, hug it in. Spine to the earth, start to make little circles with your leg. And the other way. Take your left hand to the knee, open it to the left. Right hand to your hip bone. Make sure it's not popping up, it's pressing down. You're still breathing. And then take right hand to the outside of the leg, open to the right, twist to the left. Feeling that in your outer hip. Taking a few more breaths. Coming back up to the center. Feet together. Reach for your feet. Pulling them into the chest. Finish in a happy baby if you like. Whatever last stretch you need. And then take one more big breath in. And exhale. The feet down. Arms by your side. Maybe shrug the shoulders up, around and down. Tuck the chin. Relax the body. Take one last deep, full inhalation. Hold the breath. Take in another sip of air. Another sip, expand the ribs. And then big breath out. Sinking deeper and deeper into the earth, into your bodies. Staying in the Shavasana as long as you need today. From my heart to yours. From gypsies to yours. Namaste.